Whitney, recently we had an interesting situation happen when you were reaching out at renewal time for one of our clients with an HO-6 policy. Mm-hmm. So do you want to kind of give us a little bit of a play-by-play of you reaching out at renewal time for a personal lines account?
With this client, we had his renewal coming up and he had scheduled an insurance review with us. And I was asking about his insurance requirements for his homeowners association to make sure that he has adequate coverages, because I was looking at his coverages and they seemed lower. And with knowing the current market of homeowners association policies and their insurance, we're seeing a large shift of differences in deductibles and deductibles increasing constantly. But we also are seeing that they're having like wind hail deductible is different than like the all other perils deductible. So that's one of those main things that I wanted to get from the insured. And he kept saying, oh, no, it's fine. It's fine. I don't have it. It's fine. And I'm like, well, we should definitely look at it, just make sure that it is adequate. So that's where we started. So then after that, he wasn't really sure, and I'm like, well, let's try this. With his permission, we were able to get a hold of the association and ask them for the insurance requirements they have. Then, of course, the insured had to confirm that they could send us that information. They sent it to us, and then that's when we found there was a significant amount of gaps in coverage that he didn't have on his policy that was a requirement of the association.
So, meaning with association coverages right now, the deductibles are so high that unit owners need to be reviewing their HO-6 policies to make sure there's no gaps in coverage for both the dwelling coverage and loss assessment. So he didn't have enough coverage for both dwelling and loss assessment coverage.
And to add to that, and water backup coverage as well.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Wow. That's pretty impressive. So rather than just you being an order taker and you saying, oh, okay, the client says it's okay, you did your due diligence and helped find the information and find where there's coverage gaps. And now, if he does have a claim, he's going to be brought whole.
Correct. Yeah. Compared to if we hadn't asked for this information and pushed him a little extra, got that information to contact the association, he would have a large amount of gaps in coverage, and he would have to pay out of his own pocket for those damages.
Yeah. So if you are a unit owner of an HO-6, having HO-6 and you're part of an association, this is your cue to make sure that your HO-6 coverage is updated and current. Mm-hmm. And also, we would love to help you because we're proactive with our renewals and we're really good at advocating, especially Whitney.
It's one of our favorite things to do.